Obesity is defined as an abnormal and excessive accumulation of body fat. It is a civilization disease that affects about 15% of adults worldwide and is associated with many comorbidities, significantly increased mortality. Why does excess fat accumulate in the body? The main reason is a positive energy balance maintained for a long time. According to that, neuroendocrine pathways change. You have increased energy intake but reduced expenditure. All this accumulation of energy is stored in the body as fat. The risk factors are incorrect eating habit, chronic stress, limited physical activity, sleep deprivation. It should be also noted that obesity is a medical sign of some diseases. It is worth mentioning, for example, hypothyroidism, where the thyroid produces fewer essential hormones, polycystic ovary syndrome in women, or Cushing's disease. In this illness, patients have elevated cortisol level, moon-like face, and buffalo hump. Also, drugs including antidepressants, antipsychotic, glucocorticosteroid, or insulin will promote weight gain. Obesity is diagnosed based on the body mass index. BMI is calculated using the formula. It is represented by kilograms per meter squared. A BMI greater than 30 indicates obesity, which is then further divided into 3 classes. Another important measurement of obesity is a waist circumference. This is measured at a level of the iliac crest. Depends of region, visceral obesity is diagnosed when the waist circumference is greater than 94 cm in men and greater than 80 cm in women. Increased parameters significantly correlates with the risk of cardiovascular disease, including myocardial infarction or stroke. If obesity is diagnosed, the most important thing is to change eating behavior and reduce body weight. This will truly prevent from the development of possible complications and improve the health of the person.